Transfer assist blade cleaning on the iGen family of presses. To clean your transfer assist blade, first open your center and upper right-hand doors on your print engine. Separate your photoreceptor module. Then remove your DTAC and transfer dichoratrons. Using a fiberless wipe, grasp the pedals of the transfer assist blade and gently clean them by pulling from left to right, removing any debris and toner that may have accumulated. Be sure to be careful and not bend the pedals to the blades themselves. Also, be careful not to bump into and damage your PR belt. Clean from the inboard to the outboard. Return your transfer and DTAC dichoratrons to their original positions.